I want you to always mine, forever beside heart. Destiny ties souls, future holds together. Promise stands unbroken. Golden sunrise witnesses. Silver moon approves. Sacred vows whisper. Silent prayers rise. Hands held tightly. Eyes speak truth. Breath feels closer. Hearts beat strongly. Time cannot separate. Distance cannot weaken. Storms cannot destroy. Doubts cannot conquer. Loyal devotion grows. Pure affection deepens. Sacred connection strengthens. Unshaken trust remains. Morning brings hope. Evening brings peace. Midnight brings longing. Dawn brings certainty. World may question. Heaven already knows. Universe aligns quietly. Fate smiles gently. Warm embrace comforts. Tender touch reassures. Sweet voice calms. Gentle presence heals. Golden future waiting. Shared dreams blooming. Joint journey unfolding. Common destiny rising. Fear fades slowly. Courage rises boldly. Faith stands firm. Love remains steady. Stars guard union. Angels bless pathway. Clouds carry wishes. Sky protects bond. Moments become memories. Memories become treasures. Treasures become legacy. Legacy becomes eternity. Heart chooses once. Soul chooses forever. Mind accepts truth. Spirit recognizes partner. Soft laughter sparkles. Deep gaze captivates. Quiet silence connects. Hidden feelings glow. Trials build strength. Challenges create wisdom. Patience forms character. Sacrifice proves devotion. Peace lives within. Harmony surrounds gently. Serenity fills space. Balance stays constant. Golden ring awaits. Sacred home calling. Shared table welcoming. Warm light shining. Every sunrise promises. Every sunset reassures. Every night protects. Every dawn renews. Loyal hands steady. Faithful eyes shining. Brave heart offering. Strong spirit guiding. Distance feels temporary. Separation feels painful. Togetherness feels certain. Commitment feels eternal. World keeps spinning. Seasons keep changing. Years keep passing. Bond keeps growing. Quiet prayers spoken. Secret wishes carried. Silent hopes rising. Private dreams cherished. Breathing feels lighter. Smiling feels natural. Living feels meaningful. Future feels brighter. Stormy weather passes. Clear skies return. Rainbow appears suddenly. Sunlight shines warmly. Pathways join perfectly. Journeys merge beautifully. Stories intertwine deeply. Chapters continue endlessly. Sacred promise guarded. Precious treasure protected. Golden future secured. Eternal love sealed. Stay beside forever. Remain close eternally. Belong within heart. Exist inside soul. Golden horizon calling. Shared sunrise waiting. Joint pathways forming. Common destiny shining. Arms hold tightly. Fingers lock gently. Pulse beats stronger. Breath feels warmer. Storms fade quickly. Shadows disappear slowly. Doubts lose power. Fear turns powerless. Sacred promise guarded. Precious bond protected. Loyal affection growing. Deep connection strengthening. Morning light blessing, evening glow calming, midnight stars watching, dawn sky smiling. World may wander, heaven stands witness, universe stays aligned, fate remains certain. Gentle whispers echo, sweet laughter sparkles, soft silence connects, tender moments linger, future home shining, warm doorway welcoming, shared table waiting, bright candles glowing, faith rises higher, courage stands taller, patience grows stronger, devotion becomes deeper, distance feels shorter, separation seems smaller, togetherness becomes clearer, commitment grows firmer, golden dreams forming, beautiful visions rising, precious memories building, endless chapters unfolding, hands promise safety, eyes reflect loyalty, smile carries warmth, voice delivers comfort, peace surrounds daily, harmony lives softly, serenity flows freely, balance remains steady, rain washes worries, sun dries tears, wind carries hopes, sky protects union, time tests strength, challenges build resilience, sacrifice proves sincerity, trials create wisdom, hearts beat united, souls move closer, spirits stay connected, lives grow intertwined, stars bless nights, angels guard steps, clouds shade gently, light guides forward, breathing feels meaningful, smiling feels effortless, living feels complete, journey feels beautiful, sacred future waiting, precious moments calling, golden lifetime shining, eternal story continuing, forever stay certain, eternity feels promised, always stands steady, constant remains faithful, golden sunrise returns, silver twilight settles, velvet night protects, bright dawn awakens, sacred circle closes, precious chapter completes, beautiful journey matures, endless story continues, hands remain linked, eyes remain devoted, hearts remain fearless, souls remain united, storms lose strength, waves calm gently, thunder fades softly, skies clear peacefully, warm shelter waiting, bright fireplace glowing, shared laughter echoing, quiet comfort lasting, faith grows taller, hope shines brighter, trust stands stronger, devotion becomes deeper, distance disappears slowly, barriers crumble quietly, obstacles fall aside, boundaries melt gently, golden horizon widening, radiant pathway opening, future landscape shining, destiny doorway welcoming, soft whispers promise, tender glances reassure, gentle silence connects, sweet presence comfort,